Now get to action at 184 pounds. This is Gabe Dean. Freshman from Cornell, ranked #2 in the nation. And quickly in with the 2 is Dean. Dean with 2 losses on the year. One to top-ranked Jimmy Sheptock of Maryland, the other to Ed Ruth of Penn State. Of course, it was Dean who sent shockwaves through the college wrestling landscape. His win over Ruth in the finals of the Southern Scuffle. Dean out of Lowell, Michigan, taking on Alec Iacovelli, a sophomore out of Ithaca, New York. Listed as a 165 at 174 pounder, so giving up not just weight, but probably a little bit of talent. And now Dean going to go right to work, that bent leg Turk. He's going to put Iacovelli in trouble. 17-14 your team score. Dean trying to end this one early. There's 3 near falls, so Dean quickly up 5-0. Another talented freshman in the lineup for Cornell. Already you've seen Mark Gray. He was on the losing side of a major decision, but he's a freshman. Real Buto at 57 was a winner. He's a freshman. Palacio, a winner, a freshman. Now you're seeing Dean. Halfway through the first period, a 5-0 lead, and Dean with already a minute of riding time. (17-14). This duel is tight, but we've seen every match except one ended bonus points. Very rare for 2 teams of this caliber. Dean with that leg backbone again, looking for the fall. There it is, quick fall for Gabe Dean, the freshman. 6 big points for the Big Red. It's going to be 23-14 with 2 weights to go. Cornell in the driver's seat now with that big fall by the freshman Gabe Dean.